is Deanna here today, and with Sonia and I, and we're so excited that you all are here today. Yay! So we're here to introduce our 20,000 subscribers. So along, is this live? We're here to introduce our giveaway celebration, our subscriber celebration. We are so excited that we reached these many subscribers. It's so crazy. And we just love what we do. And we're just here to thank you all for subscribing. So let's give it over to Sonia that way. And she's going to tell us about all our prizes that we were giving away.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much, everybody, for subscribing to our YouTube channel. It honestly means the world to us. We absolutely love what we do. It is so much fun to be able to bring all these videos to you, and we love that you enjoy them as much as we enjoy making them. So you know what I actually wanted to do that I forgot? Before we jump into what our prizes are, so make sure you stick around to see what the prizes are, because we're giving away a lot of amazing prizes for this YouTube subscriber giveaway, 20,000. So we're going to go ahead and each introduce what, who we are and what kind of videos we make for this channel. I do a lot of tips and tricks. I love pattern hacking. So I always like to see the bounds as far as changing up all of the patterns that you already have. I just posted a bishop sleeve hack and jogger pants. I like to change up all of our patterns and you know, see what we can do with them and how we can experiment. And Nye will go ahead and tell you what she does.
Hi everybody, I'm Nye. I do reviews on small sewing tools, and I just have a really fun time getting all those tools out there, testing them, so you don't have to waste your money on things that are going in the naughty spot, right? I'm just so happy to be here. I love doing this, and I have had so much fun reading all of your comments and wanting you to sew all the things.
And I am, yeah, hey. So I am Deanna, and I don't know which way I'm going. Hi, I am Deanna, and I do a lot of the pattern sewing tutorials. So I kind of go step by step to all the instructions and sew up the patterns so we can sew them together. And I do a lot of like little fun, short and quick, easy projects that you don't even need patterns for. So I love sewing, as many of you do too. And I love sewing with you all. And I just enjoy sewing with you all. I think I said that like 10 times.
Yes.
But yes.
Well, that's what it is.
It's a great community.
That's where joy comes from, right? Sewing all the things.
Sewing all the things. Yes, I love that.
Okay, so we are here to bring you all the more videos. We want to keep growing our channel. So if you aren't subscribed already, make sure that you do that, because to enter to win all of these awesome prizes, you have to like this video on YouTube, comment on this video, and then you have got to be subscribed, obviously. So we definitely love bringing all of these fun videos to you. If you have ideas of what you want to see videos on, make sure and pop those into the comments too. We always love to hear your suggestions. And now for the prizes. So for people that like, comment, and subscribe, you're going to be entered in to win a $100 Ellie and Mac gift card. That's awesome. You can buy so many patterns with that. I do so much sewing. So that's prize number one. And prize number two, we are doing a $100 Amazon gift card. So all of those amazing tools that Naya is introducing to you, you can always look in the description of her videos, and she links to those tools. So make sure and pick them up, and you'll be able to pick up all the tools with a $100 Amazon gift card. So that's super exciting. And then our big grand prize, we're giving away a projector. If you are, yes, it's so exciting. So if you are new to projector sewing, we have a video on how to set up a projector for sewing patterns. It's so amazing. You put it up on the ceiling and it like just shoots your pattern down onto the table and you just cut it out. It's life-changing. You guys know it's fantastic. So we're going to be giving away a projector.
If you can figure it out. Yes, that's awesome.
Yeah. The setup is.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sonia does a great job explaining about it, so that's awesome. Yes.
Thank you. Yeah. So, and we'll pop that video link into the description. Also, if you don't have a projector and want to know a little bit more about them, we can link to you there. So those are all of the prizes that we're giving away on YouTube. Now, even more prizes. We are giving away prizes on Facebook too, because we know that so much of our YouTube viewership comes from our awesome Facebook group. We just celebrated 60,000 members in our Facebook group. It's a huge, amazing community. It's so fantastic. Everybody always shares all their makes over there and gets lots of tips and tricks and help and all kinds of fun things. So I'll go ahead and hand it over to Nye, who's going to talk about some of the prizes that we gathered up for our Facebook giveaway. So make sure on our Facebook page, when we post this video, there's going to be a link to a raffle copter. So for these prizes, you're going to enter that way. So Nye can take it away.
Okay, I have here two gifts for two winners, which would be a $25 gift card to Mily Mae or a PFRE from the Styled Magnolia.
I love their fabric. Yes. Yes.
They're so good. They're so good.
Yes, they are.
Diana
and
also
I have yes, I have a $50 Olga's Closet gift certificate and a $20 for the 5-Click Fabric Shop fabric store. So
yes, that's amazing. And we also have a $30 gift card to Fabric Fairy. And then we have a $25 gift card to Amelia Lane Fabrics. So that's this one right here. Oh no, is my face frozen again?
Just a little bit.
Oh no. So that is, we've got, if any of that cut out, we have 6 awesome gift cards and gifts from fabric companies that have contributed to our 20,000 YouTube subscriber celebration. It's so awesome that they're so generous to donate those to our group and help celebrate with us. Make sure that you check out all of their groups. And once you go on the Facebook page and enter through the Rafflecopter, you can be entered to win all of those prizes. So check those out. Oh, you guys and all your kiddos popping in to say hey. It's so
Everybody's just popping
this
in.
Is real life. What you gonna do?
Yes, we are so excited and we are so thankful to all our subscribers. Thank you for giving us so much love, all your comments, all your likes, all your shares. And we love you all so much. Yes, we love doing this.
Yes.
We were just talking about how much we enjoy it. Yeah. Yeah, we were just talking about how much we just enjoy sewing and being able to just do what we love with our kids around. And so it's just, thank you all.
Thank you.
Yep. Thank you all so much for subscribing. And as far as the YouTube celebration goes, if you get on our videos, please give those likes and thumbs up and comments. All of that really helps grow our channel, and it makes it easier for us to help grow the channel, bring you more videos. So those likes and those comments and those subscribes help so much. Thank you guys all so much for just being such the awesome community that you are.
Yes. And then remember to go on Facebook and follow our events so you can see all our sew-alongs, because we've got all the sew-alongs coming and more sew-alongs. So that's always super fun. And there's also prizes there too sometimes and everything. So check that out too.
Yes. We do get a lot of questions on that as far as when's the next sew-along and that kind of thing. So if there's one coming up, make sure and just go into our Facebook group and check the events, and they will all be listed right there. And we just want to come on and thank you all.
See you all next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Cool.